Well, welcome to a windy day in Shetland. Yeah, just a little job here today, nothing much, just something stupid. Let's have a look at it. Okay, these steps here, they become a bit loose. They are jammed in, they're really jammed in, and I don't want to destroy that. I just want to stop this type of thing happening. There's only that one doing it really. That one they can all lift, I'm okay with that, and that one, the bottom one here, that one's glued solid, so I don't want to mess with that. But my mate's shitting bird has dropped us off some more wood. Here we go, just found it here. So we've got some little battens like that, and what I'm going to do is cut them to length and screw them to the planks there like some side battening, and that'll hold the three planks together that are here, 2, 3, and keep the whole thing more in place. That's the plan anyway. And then once the summer's here, I'll sand it all down, clean it up a bit, and I might put some varnish on it, I don't know. We put some oil on it, some like tung oil, and I think what happened there was it looked great, but then all the dirt got in all the oil, so it looks quite grubby. But with what everything's costing these days, I'm not ripping it out or doing anything new. I'm just going to patch it up and repair it, like do and mend. That's what we used to do. Okay, it is quite windy today, so I'm sorry if there's some noise on the microphone, you know, just forget about all that crap. Anyway, just a few tools needed for this thing. My trusty Evolution chop saw. I've cut the battens to size. And if we come over here, there's something I prepared earlier. Let's go over. It's windy, it is windy today. Here we've got my Einhell drill. That'll do all the drilling, little holes into the battens here. And then I've got my box of screws, and I've already decided how long the screws are I'm going to use. I don't really know, you know, it's, I think they're about what, 20mm long, something like that. We'll cut the battens to length, and we'll put a little guide holes through, and then we'll screw them down to the planks, and hopefully the job's a good one. Well, that's Rocky out for another one of his walks. Does about 3 or 4 miles a day, most days. Right, so let's see where we're going with this. Okay, so we've got 3 battens cut. I have numbered them underneath, 1, 2 and 3, so don't get them mixed up. Now I'm just going to drill some guide holes through, okay, and then put the screws in, and generally have a jolly good time. Okay, well, so far no good. I mean, so far so good. Let's have a look. Okay, well, that's one side done, so they're all nice and secure now. I've just got to do this other side, and so far there hasn't really been much swearing. Let's crack on. He's a good boy, big badoo, aren't you? That's that done. So yeah, that's that done. It's a lot steadier there now. There's stops the odd step coming out, you know. There's no chance of the postman going arse over tit anymore. And as you know, I spent a lot of time in the music business, and my good friend Stevie Wonder said it looks great to him. So I'm quite happy with it. Right, let's go and have a brew.